Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter Z from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a line across the top. Then on the right side, let's bring it straight down. And on the left, let's angle it out and curve it back in at the bottom. Now let's bring it over to the right, stopping here. Next, from the left and the right, let's draw angled lines down. Then from the left side, let's bring it down. And from the right, let's curve it out and down at the end. Then let's angle it back in. And then a line across the bottom to close it off. And that's it for the shape of the letter Z. Now let's add the eyes. On the top left here, let's start by drawing a rounded rectangle. Now let's do the same thing on the bottom right. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside both eyes. Now in the top eye, let's add a curve at the top here. And let's do the same thing on the bottom eye, but on the top right. Now across the center of each eye, let's draw a curve. Now at the top in the center, let's draw a square shape for the pupil. And the same thing in the bottom eye. And then let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move in and draw the mouth next. In the center between the eyes, let's start by drawing two angled lines. And now let's connect them at the top and the bottom. Next, in the center, let's add another diagonal line here. Then bring it up and over, and the same on the bottom. Then down and out on both sides. And lastly, let's add some cracked detailed lines like this. You can follow mine or you can make your own. And that's it for the letter Z. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!